How to increase SnapScore fast by 1000 per minute on Snapchat. So increasing SnapScore on Snapchat is very simple and easy, and I'm gonna show you the best method on how you can increase your Snapchat score very fast. So yeah, first of all, what you need to do is just basically go to your Snapchat. And once you're inside Snapchat, here as you can see that in the Snapchat that I have a method right over here. This is called multi-snaps method. So what you have to do is just basically press on this plus icon right over here, and once you press on it, you will be able to see the option of multi-snap. Just press on multi-snap, and now you'll be able to see a plus icon right next to the place where you take pictures and everything. What you gotta do is just basically tap 10 times, and once there are 10 snaps, you gotta press OK and then send to. Now you gotta send to your fake account that you have made, or like you already have a fake account that you have added yourself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna send this account, and this is my own fake account. I'm just gonna send these, and then I'm gonna repeat this process for like 10 times. I'm gonna keep doing that until my snap score has changed very significantly. So here as you can see, more of 10, and my snap score would go very high if I do this like for 10 times. So yeah, this is actually the easiest trick on how you can increase snap score fast. So I hope this video helped you all. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like. And yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, see you.